Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best cheap drones you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on performance, features, and price. I've included options for every type of user on a budget, so whether you're looking for a cheap mini drone that's great for indoors or an affordable drone that can shoot 4K video, we'll have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the DJI Mavic Mini. This is our best cheap drone under $400. If you're looking for an affordable drone that performs big but is compact in size, then the popular DJI Mavic Mini is one of the best drones for you. Currently priced at $400, the Mavic Mini is compact and small, which has a big advantage when it comes to drones because you don't have to register it with the FAA. So whether you're a beginner ready to venture into the world of drones or a seasoned flyer looking for a compact drone with amazing features, the DJI Mavic Mini has plenty to offer for all flyers. Beginners can shoot some amazing footage right off the bat with the automated presets. The 2.7K video quality is great, and with the camera held by a 3-axis gimbal, you'll be thrilled at how smooth the footage is. The controller and the DJI Fly app works on both Android and iOS. It's not too heavy and feels good in your hands. You'll be able to see the live feed from the camera even when the Mavic Mini is flying up to 2.5 miles from you. There are some nice safety features like the automated return to home, so your drone will fly back on its own to you before its battery runs out. Plus, if there happens to be an unplanned landing, the Find My Drone option will help you find and retrieve it. The key features are great camera, shoots amazing 2.7K video and 12 megapixel stills. Foldable design. It folds down so compact it'll fit in the palm of your hand. Just slip it into your backpack and take it anywhere and everywhere. The pros are no FAA registration. It weighs just 249 grams, falling under the threshold for drone registration. Long-range communication. The Mavic Mini can communicate with the remote from up to 2.5 miles away. Flight time. Up to 30 minutes of flight time compared to just 5 to 10 minutes found on most beginner drones. And for the cons, no obstacle avoidance. With no obstacle avoidance sensor, beginners may initially struggle to avoid hitting obstacles. DJI's Mavic Mini is the drone for everyone with a 2.7K camera, long flight time, and plenty of features, making it a great choice for drone enthusiasts, novice flyers, and with the short learning curve, it's perfect for beginners, making it one of the best affordable drones available. The second product on our list is the Holy Stone HS720. This is our best cheap drone under $300. If you're looking for an entry-level drone with a high-quality HD camera, then the Holy Stone HS720 is one of your best affordable choices. Currently priced at $300, the HS720 shoots quality HD video and has advanced features like GPS, intelligent flight modes, and good flight times. You'll find the HS720 is one of Holy Stone's most advanced drones and easily folds up, making the already lightweight drone much more compact and easier to carry around. You'll love the HS720's flight time with up to 26 minutes, which is impressive for its price point, and made possible by the large 2800 mAh lithium polymer battery. Best of all, the HD 2K camera will let you capture some great aerial images and take HD video footage, especially with the 110-degree wide-angle FOV lens. You'll like how the controller is compact and feels comfortable in your hands. It features an LCD screen that displays data like distance between you and the drone, battery level for both the drone and controller, speed, and GPS data. If you're looking for a cheap drone with one of the longest flight times, then stay tuned for the popular DJI Mavic Mini coming up next with up to 30 minutes of flight time. The key features are 2K camera, captures beautiful aerial images and HD video footage using a 110-degree wide-angle FOV lens and a 1/3 CMOS sensor. Safety. The drone will head back to the location of the remote controller when the battery gets low. Shock absorption camera holder to avoid distortion due to bumps or vibration. The pros are amazing battery life, fly for about 26 minutes on a single charge. Foldable design. When not in use, the drone's arms fold up to a compact size that can fit in your pocket. Range. Up to 765-yard range. Data. Keep on top of battery levels, range, speed, and GPS right on the controller. Intelligent flight modes. Flight modes make it easier to fly and also easier to take better videos and images. And for the cons, no stabilization, no gimbal or software stabilization. Charge time. Battery takes a long time to charge. If you're looking for an affordable drone with a high-quality HD camera, then the Holy Stone HS720 shoots quality HD video and has advanced features like GPS, intelligent flight modes, and good flight times, making it one of the best drones under $300 for you. The third product on our list is the Eachine E52 Max. This is our best cheap drone under $200. If you're looking for a great performing drone that's affordable, then Eachine's latest drone, the E52 Max, is one of the rare, lower-priced drones in the market to offer 4K video and is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $140, the E52 Max is similar to the popular DJI Mavic Air in size, build, as well as having most of the same feature set, but at about a quarter of the price. If you've been interested in drones but hesitated to try because you thought it might be too complicated, you're going to love how simple it actually is. The E52 Max has a very short learning curve, so you'll be able to start flying like a seasoned flyer in no time. It's easy to see why beginners and novice flyers are thrilled about it. It also comes with some great preset flight modes. Just select one and you'll be shooting amazing 4K footage on your first flight. You can have the drone track your movements or fly 360 degrees around you while it takes aerial selfies of you. You can even touch points on the remote control screen and set a flight path for the E52 Max to automatically follow while it shoots breathtaking shots with its wide-angle lens. It's that easy. Plus, the E52 Max can live stream the video from your drone from up to 270 yards away. The E52 Max is surprisingly well built, and you'll find the performance extremely solid and stable even during windy conditions. The key features are wide angle, incredible 120 degrees field of view to capture the full landscape, 6-axis gyroscope, reduces shakes for smooth video recordings. The pros are 4K video, record 4K video with amazing details and clarity. Portability, smaller than an iPad mini when folded down, so it's easy to pack and take with you. Battery, the 1200 mAh battery gives you up to 15 minutes of flight time. Range, up to 270 yards. And for the cons, no gimbal. There's no gimbal, but the drone has a 6-axis gyroscope that stabilizes the flight to minimize shakes. If you're looking for an affordable drone with 4K video, then the Eachine E52 Max records brilliant 4K video with a wide field of view and a 6-axis gyroscope to make your shots amazing at a fraction of the cost of higher-ended models, making it one of the best choices for you. The fourth product on our list is the Visuo Battleshark TR50. This is our best cheap drone under $100. If you're looking for a dual camera system drone at a great price, then the Visuo Battleshark TR50 is one of your best affordable drones for you. Currently priced at $100, the Battleshark TR50 shoots brilliant 4K video from its front and bottom cameras with 360-degree panoramic views with 50 times zoom for amazing aerial footage. You'll find the build quality impressive, and the compact design that folds down in 3 seconds makes it incredibly portable to take with you wherever you go. It's great for beginners and novices, especially with the presets, 2 speed modes that you can switch on the fly, no pun intended, and the altitude hold function that's easily controllable with its easy-to-use drone remote. You'll also get first-person view navigation and a live stream that puts you in control. The Battleshark comes with some really cool features that you'll love, like including image tracking that automatically tracks you to keep you in the frame, and with hand gesture recognition, you can take videos or snap photos with simple hand gestures and even navigate and control your drone. You'll appreciate the 6-axis flight control system and built-in barometer that gives you incredibly smooth flights and helps stabilize your footage to minimize shakes. If you're looking for a drone that gives you incredible range up to 270 yards, stay tuned for the Eachine E52 Max coming up next. The key features are panoramic. Record amazing 360-degree panoramic views. Zoom. 4K HD pixels deliver sharp details even when zoomed in 50 times. 6-axis gyroscope and built-in barometer. Reduces shakes for smooth flights and video recordings. Altitude hold. Provides improved and stable flight. Headless mode. No need to adjust the position before flying. The pros are 4K video. Record 4K video with amazing details and clarity. Dual camera system. Front and bottom cameras. Foldable design. Folds down in 3 seconds for ultimate portability. Battery. The 1200 mAh battery gives you up to 17 minutes of flight time, longer than most other drones in its price range. Range. Built-in Wi-Fi with up to 77 yards. And for the cons, no gimbal. There's no gimbal, but the drone has a 6-axis gyroscope that stabilizes the flight to minimize shakes. If you're looking for a dual camera system drone that records 4K, then the Visuo Battleshark TR50 shoots brilliant 4K video from its front and bottom cameras with 360-degree panoramic views with 50 times zoom for amazing aerial footage, making it one of the best affordable drones for you under $100. The 5th product on our list is the SNAPTAIN H823H Mini Drone. This is our best cheap drone under $50. If you're looking for one of the cheapest drones available that's not a toy, then the SNAPTAIN H823H is one of your best affordable options. Currently priced at $35, the SNAPTAIN is a great mini drone that may be billed as a drone for kids, but anyone would have a blast flying it. It's so small it fits in the palm of your hand and safe for beginners and novices. The propellers are encased in a plastic cage, so if it crashes into anything or anyone, no harm will be done. If you're new to drones, you'll love the fact that the H823H features headless mode, so it doesn't matter which way oriented when you fly it, because left is always left and right is always right. While in flight, you'll notice the drone's path is illuminated with an integrated LED for easy visibility. If you want some assistance, you can choose the altitude hold feature so the height of the drone stays constant while you concentrate only on flying forward and backward as well as left and right. You'll find the SNAPTAIN hovers surprisingly well with virtually no wobble. You'll like the simple and intuitive controller with well-positioned buttons that lets you automate some tasks like automatic takeoff, one-touch landing, and one-key return. If you're interested in a cheap drone with a camera, then stay tuned for the Visuo Battleshark TR50 coming up next with dual 4K camera and 50 times zoom. The key features are variable speeds, 3 speed levels, range, up to 30 meters, flight time, up to 21 minutes, portable, fits in the palm of your hands and weighs just over 1 ounce. The pros are ease of use features, one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode. You can fly the drone no matter what direction it's facing and the controls respond to your point of view. Altitude hold mode. Lock the altitude for easier control and just focus on forward, backward, left and right. Safety. Protective casing around the propellers. And for the cons, battery replacement. Have to remove the safety cage first. If you're looking for an affordable entry-level drone, then the SNAPTAIN H823H has almost no learning curve, so it's great for beginners and novices with an easy-to-use remote and safety features, making it a great budget option for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day.